I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or a hide round the light. Hate to turn out, found out the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love and sometimes it hurts instead. And sometimes it lasts in love and sometimes it hurts instead.
I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Open up your heart and sing like me. Open up your mind and dance with me. Dig into your heart and you find the sky is yours. There's no need to complicate. Our time